Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please drop a like and subscribe, turn post notifications on, and let's get right into the video. So today I'm just going to do a little quick update on the portfolio super fast. As you can see, let's go from 1 year and backwards. All right, so 1 year we're just up 6% since slowly the account bottomed out earlier this year, and slowly it's making its way back to where it was before. Year to date, you can see the bounce back is doing pretty good. We're up 54%, 55% basically, $10,000. 3 months, we are up 28%, $6,000. In the past month, we're up 5.7%. Past week was a little bit of a down. We did have a little downwards move, which was probably a good opportunity to buy some shares if you guys were stacking your cash up. Like every time you have these kind of downward moves, you see. I saw a couple of stocks down a little bit, like Neo. I think I saw Neo down 5%, but now it's basically bounced back today, and today we're up 0.68% with a high of almost 3%, almost up $700. But we started trading downwards. I'm actually very excited. Hopefully soon, I think we'll start seeing some good earnings. Shopify has earnings, I believe, at the end of the month, the 26th. And PayPal, when is it? PayPal's earnings? Let's see. Ooh, that's a little more further away. Neo, when does Neo's? I think Neo's even further. Even further. So the top ones we have Shopify first, then PayPal, then Neo. But if you did see the other day, we did have a down day, and you could see how this little correction was a good day to buy if you were interested in buying anything. You see, it looks weird like that. Even now, Shopify's still going down a little bit, so we might see some opportunity there. PayPal saw a little bit of opportunity to buy here, and Corsair, another one that I don't really talk about that much. Just holding for the long run. This is one of my unprofitable ones. Palantir. This one actually had a good opportunity to buy here if you were interested. I think anything under $20 Palantir is a good buy. Then Tesla's just been rolling along. Look at that, 50% in the past month. I'm saying whenever there's an opportunity to buy on the dip with Tesla or Meta, Amazon, I would buy if I could. And I wouldn't get too carried away, because sometimes I get carried away when I want to buy. Like, for example, when I saw Shopify going down fast, I bought 7,000, 5,000, 6,000, like 1, 2, 3 days in a row. That's probably not the best way to do it. The best way to slowly get into it, especially if you don't have that much cash going in every single day or every week like I do. Usually, I would try to deposit every 2 weeks whenever I get paid. As you can see right here, look at that. Shopify, April 5th, $7,000 buy. Another one on April 5th, $3,500 buy. Then a couple days later, $4,300 buy. See, that's probably not the best way to do it all in one go. You kind of want to slowly get into your positions. That's exactly what I did. The same mistake I made with Neo. I bought way too much, way too fast, and that's why my average cost is so high, when I should have been buying slowly over time. And I do believe with Neo, we have bottomed out here. I don't think we might get much lower than $7 where we were back here in May. I think we will slowly start going back up. It all depends on the next earnings too. If in the next earnings they go lower than what they did in quarter 4 of the fiscal year 2022 quarter 4, if they go lower than that, that's going to be a tough one. But I want to see them reduce their losses. They are saying that they will probably be profitable in 2025, so I want to see them start trending in the right direction. You see right here, the trend was going down with right here they had their earnings in about 20, like in the 20s, and then they went into the 30s, and then in the 40s, but now they're going back up, trending into the right direction. So we have to see in the next quarter if they can get their losses down into the 30s, hopefully 30 cents. If they can do that, then I'm actually be pretty excited with Neo. They're finally trending in the right direction, but we have to see in the next quarter what they do, because if they go back down, ooh, it might take longer than expected for them to be profitable. But we'll have to see with that. Neo is going to be a big one in for the portfolio. Until I start depositing some more money and averaging out some of my other big buys, because I want to get Tesla and Meta and Amazon up. Even though they've been ran a lot, I still think that I would want to have them as bigger position in the portfolio. Of course, slowly over time, because I still think Tesla, Meta, and Amazon have a long ways to go. They will continue to grow for the next decade, I believe. Especially Tesla with Cybertruck coming up soon. I think Tesla has the biggest growth. Meta is going to be right there, and Amazon, of course, being third, I think. Just my opinion. I'm no financial expert. And these are some of the other ones I have. MP Materials. This one's been bouncing back very quickly since from $21 to 25. Whew. Basically, in a little like 2 weeks, from 21, so 20% gain in like 2 weeks. And this is a small position. This was actually kind of a play on the battery play, because this is a mining company that they mine all the materials for the batteries and stuff like that. That's something that I was interested in, and it's a profitable, and it's has a low PE, and look at that. But the earnings have been trending downwards. You can see the earnings trend down. Hopefully they can change that up, but I still think this is a pretty good play, and it's a profitable company. So I'll look into it if you're interested in that. IIPR, this was going to be my cannabis play. This is the only one that I know that is profitable. Low PE, high dividend yield. And it's high dividend because this has been trending downwards for quite a while. I think this used to be a $200 stock, I believe, right? $200? Oh, yeah. I thought I was tripping for a little bit, but yeah, this used to be a $200 stock, but it's been trending downwards like crazy. And I actually like this one for a cannabis play. It's basically like a REIT. They sell like rent out facilities to other companies that need. You can read it here if you're interested. I wouldn't get too big of a position. I will probably get if I wanted to, I'll probably put this into like a 5% position into the portfolio, so I could probably 10x the position with MP and IPR. ChargePoint is unprofitable, but I think that this will continue to grow as long as the EV space continues to grow. So I mean, we could probably see this one grow back to all-time highs, but I believe that will take 5-10 years. Slow growth. Has this one bottomed out? I'm not sure. See, it's still trending in that down direction. Hopefully, it'll break the trend. I was still need to do some more research on this to see how much, if they're clearing their losses. Let's see. Look at the earnings real quick. Well, I mean, look at that. Earnings have been good. Doing good. So as long as they can keep trending in that direction, we'll hopefully start seeing them being profitable. Maybe in a year or two, hopefully. I would need to do some more research to see about that. That's why I haven't really put that much money into these couple ones. Haven't been really into the loop. But yeah, that's a little quick update on the portfolio, little review on the portfolio. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll try to continue to post more videos, so stay tuned and peace out.